Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a credit card, delete a credit card, and how to set a credit card on default. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we need to do is click on PlayStation Store. Once in PlayStation Store, we need to click on the three dots located on the top right hand corner of the page. Once you have clicked on that, we will click on Payment Methods. Here on Payment Methods, you have an option to add a PayPal account. All you need is your email and password and click Login. Right next to PayPal, you have the option to add a credit card or debit card. All you need to do is click on it, enter the debit or credit card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card, and hit Continue. Next, if you want to change your default card, all you have to do is click under it where it says Options, and click Set as Default. And you'll see that it changed to default. Next, if you want to remove a credit card, all you have to do is click under it where it says Options and click Remove. And it will ask you if you want to remove this credit card from your account, and you will click Yes, and that credit card will disappear. And that is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, consider subscribing for similar videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.